Stuart says, I'd like to make a pendant in the form of a lowercase letter M. Is it best to pierce this from a piece of thickish silver sheet, or to bend, then solder 3 pieces of square wire?
Oh wow, because we just done this. We had an initial in, didn't we?
Yeah.
So,
but we're matching it to other initials.
yes.
So it's, yeah, there's only one way we can do it really based on that.
Based upon that, yeah. So I think for neatness, I would cut it out of a piece of metal. If you make it out of square wire, you're going to have a piece that does that. You're going to have a piece that does that, and then you're going to have a piece that does that. So you effectively got another solder joint there. Then what you're going to do, you're going to have to try and hang it, trying to find the center of gravity, which is going to be roughly around about there, and hang from there. So you've got all these solder joints. For me, it would be a messy job, excess solder. You've got to remove all the solder, and then when you solder this on, these joints may come undone, and you could be ending up with a lot of hassle. So personally, I would get my piece of metal that makes it sure it's big enough, and then simply that's an absolute terrible M, but that's what I would do if it's a lowercase m like that. Cut that out like that. Okay, and then solder on. You have to roughly work out the center of gravity, but the equal amount of weight. So if you put it right into the center there, then you can attach your jumping on the top of that, and that would be fine. And that is how I would do it. You've only got these solder joints here. It's going to be far easier, far better, less hassle. You've got to be good with your piercing out, mind you, but yeah, that is the way I would do it. Solid piece of metal.